right, well, in the essence of time, let's go ahead and get started. Welcome to the TIBCO Energy and Oil and Gas User Group. My name is Kelly Sherrill. I'm the Field Marketing Manager for TIBCO. And we'll go ahead and get kicked off here with Michael O'Connell, who is our Chief Analytics Officer here at TIBCO, where he helps clients with analytics software applications that drive business value. He's written many scientific papers and software packages on statistical methods. So without further ado, I'll hand it over to Michael O'Connell.
Thank you, Kelly. And we're excited. We've got a great program here. Excited to have Brian Alleman from Hunt Oil to talk about his completions work. Excited with the work that Catalina Herrera and Liz Denner are doing on OSDU. And I'm going to also give a bit of a preview to wrap it up on TIBCO Now, which is next week. So just to kind of set the stage here, we're taking this event today with AWS, but this is also a series of events that we're doing with bringing our cloud data management analytics, in front of, you folks in the energy sector. And as you know, we do a lot of work in the upstream, exploration, production, in the midstream as well, and, more and more in the downstream. And our work with the cloud vendors is seriously important in this way. When it comes to, reservoir characterization inside a Spotfire, we're able to call out to models like this neural net self-organizing map to, identify structure, in the rock. We're able to, monitor equipment in the field for production in particular, for drilling, for completions, and understand what is happening in the field regarding key KPIs around production, around equipment, being able to take an action before things get into a precarious situation. Brian's going to talk some about that today and with a completions angle. We'll send around these slides, but there's links to live demos. This is a live demo from our demo gallery that you can see how we can figure out products to do these sort of things. When it comes to cloud, we're all in with Schlumberger. We're the data management and analytics engine inside of the Delphi cloud environment. A lot of learnings that we've had there, with respect to Google and Microsoft Cloud, and then with Catalina and Liz are going to take you through the amazing work that we're doing with OSDU. The partnership with AWS there is very strong. You'll hear latest and greatest stuff from Liz and Catalina today on that. As regards AWS, we have a number of customers in the oil and gas patch that work with us in that regard. OAG is a partner of ours that is using our data science and Spotfire products to improve upstream planning. In particular, when you're completing out wells that are close by each other and being able to do frac hit anomaly detection, understand estimates that are coming out from well spacing type programs that are in place, and understand where there might be interference. Further on downstream, with AWS, we do quite a bit with European providers like NL to do smart grid monitoring. We're using other Amazon products there like CloudWatch, and this is providing energy grid into homes, into vehicles, smart metering, that kind of thing. And our partnership with AWS is very strong. In addition to having a pretty solid marketplace set of product entries, we also participate in the algorithm marketplace. We've provided some anomaly detection and text similarity algorithms as part of the marketplace. And in addition to Spotfire, we've created the biggest compute grid on AWS ever with our grid server product. With our Flogo product, we've created the lightest serverless footprint product as well. So the partnership with AWS is strong. We've regular presenters at reInvent. There's a nice video if you want to see some of our anomaly detection work that combines data science, streaming, and Spotfire, to identify an anomaly and identify a root cause, put the machine learning model on the event stream, and understand how to detect patterns as they emerge. Overall, combining TIBCO data science with Spotfire inside of AWS, connecting to Redshift and EMR and S3 and so on, and calling into SDKs via Python data functions in Spotfire and in TIBCO data science is a way that you get the best out of the products, both the product sets. We do a lot of work to just keep up with Amazon and the other cloud vendors to make, be able to do compute inside of those databases and integrate between the Amazon databases and TIBCO data science and TIBCO Spotfire and streaming. You see we've got pretty good connectivity across through TIBCO data virtualization as well as through Spotfire into all the Amazon data sources. Now, we'll be having events going forward with the other vendors, and we're also doing a lot of work to integrate with Azure with our data virtualization and Spotfire products against the sorts of data sources that are coming through the Azure environment. And we truly are awesome at anomaly detection. If you go to tibco.com/solutions/anomaly detection, you'll see a lot of different methods that we have here for multivariate time series anomaly detection on a single event stream, variety of ways that we bring together Spotfire data science and streaming to do this important use case. And in fact, at Microsoft, we've just launched an application that allows you to do anomaly detection both at the edge when you're disconnected as well as through the cloud, combining methods for detecting anomalies on the sensor data, on the time series data, with ways of digging into the associated log files to get a root cause and assign an action to an anomaly. So there's a nice set of demos and assets and things that you can download from TIBCO blog and TIBCO website to do this type of a use case in both AWS and in Azure. And really this the way that we call into the libraries, so into the Boto 3 library, a Python SDK available on AWS, or into GSUtool or Google AI platform on Google, or Azure ML and the Azure SDK, cognitive services on Azure. These are all invocable from our Jupyter Notebook inside of TIBCO Data Science and our Python data function construct inside of Spotfire. So why do we connect to the cloud? Why are we spending all this effort? Well, it's kind of like why did old bank robbers rob banks? So, that's where the money is, and also that's where most of our customers are moving their data to the cloud. Why are they doing that? Well, it reduces the cost of running a data center. It gives you elastic cloud capacity, and you only pay for what you need. And there's an agility there that allows you to spin up new systems as required. So we've got a big bet on the cloud at TIBCO, and that's this series that we're running is to highlight what we're doing with those cloud vendors, and we can help you move to the cloud, supporting your current needs. We work with any cloud vendor, so you're not sort of locked into whatever one cloud vendor tells you. We can provide alternatives, and we definitely are multi-cloud. So a lot of our customers have now got multiple cloud environments. We can bring them together. We can combine cloud and on-premise, and we can facilitate customers to use the best of the three providers. So that's it, a brief introduction. There's a number of resources that are available on our community site. You can download and get to when we're creating, Catalina's creating a community page that'll have all these links, to them. And the community blog has a number of great articles about how we connect into the different cloud providers with Python and through our Spotfire product.